Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you how you can insert data into the SQLite database. So basically in last video, I have explained you what is the SQLite database. So I hope you watched my previous video. If you did not watch, then I will share a link into the description. Go through with that and understand the basics of SQLite database. And in this video, as I promised, today I'm going to tell you what is the insert operation and how you can read the data from the database. So here I have few fields. If we go to new stroke, I will store this data into my database and I will read this. I will read the same data and I will print over here the complete list whatever we have insert. So let's begin with insert functionality with insert query and understand how you can implement that in a very easy way in your application. So guys, here we have two code for inserting data into the database. So how we can do that and what is the basics and very simple syntax to insert into the data into SQLite database. So first of all, you require a query so that you can insert data into the database. Like I have created this query for creating a table. Okay, in same way we need to create a query for inserting data into the database. So let query. Okay, so here what is the insert is the keyword of SQL. Okay, this is the syntax to insert data into the table, and into means you are pointing that particular table. Like this is something like PHP. Okay, if you are if you did work and you have any idea for MySQL queries, this is same to same, nothing different. Okay, so insert into grade. Now put braces and inside that what we have to insert actually. So first of all ID, then second number. What is the second number? Name, result, and at the end a list. Okay, so this is the data what I have to insert in my database. And before list there is one more thing, avj. Okay, so these entity I have to enter into database. So now I'll type values. Here we will take the object type. Okay, we will pass question mark, and this question mark will be the same in quantity. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and this is 5. Okay, so this is my complete insertion query. Now what I'm going to do, as we did here, SQLite 3 prepare version 2. Actually, this will return you the statement after preparing your query. Okay, so same way I'll take where statement, and this is opaque type. Okay, opaque pointer, and by default is nil. Now we will type same condition if, and condition is SQLite 3 and underscore prepare version 2, and here we have to pass our data. Our data is db. This is okay. So and here we have to pass our query, string type query, and byte type -1. What is the statement? Here you have to pass a statement with AND key operator. Okay, and at the end tail pointer is same, nil. Okay, so it will return you the statement. Now what you have to do, you have to check with it is SQLite okay or what. If the query is fine, then your compiler will go inside this if condition, otherwise your compiler will quit from this else condition. And here you can mention any message whatever you want to show to user, or you can print your own message like query is not as per requirement. Okay, and that's it. Now if your query is okay and your statement is okay, then how you have to append the id, name, result, and average and list, how you have to insert, because up to now uh, we are just ready with our query, we did not attach any value. So in next program I'm going to do that. So here it is, let, sorry, it's SQLite 3 bind. Here we must have that information like which kind of data we are going to insert. Okay, it is string type, blob type, text type, or it is whatever it is. Control Z. This is opaque pointer. Opaque pointer will be statement, this statement. Okay, now this is the column. In which column I'm going to enter? In first column. And what is the value of id? Is 1 in my case. Okay, now, and id is auto increment. Okay, after first entity into the database, then you don't need to append this id again and again. I will let you know that's also, but for first record we have to enter this id. Okay, now we will bind our name, result, average, and list in same way. Okay, SQLite 3 bind. Now name is type of text, so we will pass normally statement column number 2. So here we have to pass our name. So how we are going to pass name as ns string, and from here we will take utf-8 string. So like that you can send your string. Same, this is nil, sorry, this is -1 and this is nil. That's great. Now in same way you need to send your result. I'll copy and paste. Here is complete description. If you really want to know deeply about that, here is description about ns string. What is ns string? Okay, here it is the description. Once you keep your pointer and click, you will get at the right hand side. Okay, like that you can find the complete information of the syntax, why you are using and what is the use of that. So here it is at the end. uh, Before the and, same, we have to insert our integer, and our integer is, here is value is avg. Okay, now list, just fix it. Yeah, now list we have in format of grid. Now this list we have to convert into the string format. So how we can do that? Let data equals, here we will use try JSON encoder dot encode, and here we will pass our list. So now at the end we will take the string from this data. Okay, so we can say list string equals, now how we can take that string, we will type string and data. Okay, so this is like that. The syntax of uh, taking string from the data is this. So here is the complete description of a string. If you see that what is a string, how we can define that, and what are the syntax, how we can append, blah blah blah, you can find from here. So to be short, data encoded type is same UTF-8. That's great. Now I will append this string into the same format. Okay, and here I forgot to change this 3, and this one is 4, and this one is 5. That's great. Now you have to type one last statement, which is if SQLite 3 and step. Here we have to pass same statement, and the result is equals to SQLite done. Great. Now if it is success, then it means our data completely inserted into the database. So here we can say success. Okay, else here will be the message for data is not inserting. Okay, this is completely about inserting data into the database. So let's, here's warning coming, fix it. Yeah, now build and run it. I'm going to insert one data of average 4 in new stroke, and name is MTech semester 1, or here we can say the subject of your course, like networking. Credit hours, you can select your credit hours is 3. Done. Grades, from here you can select grades. Done. Now I will add one extra, and the name of this we can say PPL, principle of programming language, same 3, grade be positive. And here if you see, before entering the data into database, I would like to tell you that I am calling that insert function at the end of the calculation what I am performing on this button click. Okay, so if I click on this calculate, here you can see data inserted success. It means data has been inserted into database. Now we have to read that data. So again, come back to your DB helper, and here we will write one more function, which is read. Okay, and here we will pass what type of we want data. Okay, means average 4 data, or average 5 data, or average 100 data. So here I will pass avj, and this is a type of int. Okay, and what type of returns it will be, list db grade. This is the list already I have created. Okay, same like id, name, result, avj type, and list. So guys, here I'll take one empty list first, and it will be type of where list, same db grades. Okay, and here I'll return this list. Okay, so you have done with first step. Now we have to fetch data from database. So same way we have to write the query for selecting the data from database. So same way, let select asterisk from name of the table grade, and here I forgot add one semicolon. Same way we have to copy and we have to paste it. Now it's done almost, we are at the last, and before that we have to take this statement as well, because it will prepare our query and it will return our statement, so that's why it's mandatory. So this time we will modify a little bit this syntax. Okay, what will be the modification? Here we will do while loop, we will use while loop. Okay, same syntax will be same. SQLite 3 step operation will be same statement, and it is double equals to SQLite row. So it means it is returning us to row. Okay, That's good. Now we have to take data from the database. So let id equals, and id will be SQLite 3 underscore column int. Here we have to pass statement, and from which column we have to take the value, from 0. Okay, same way let name equals SQLite 3, and from here column statement, here we will pass column number 1, and this will be result. Column 2, this will be avj, and here I'll pass this one because avj is integer. Here it is column 3, and same way list. List is also a type of integer, and it will be from column 4. So that's it. Okay, now we have to parse this data. This is already integer, or we can say int. That's great. Same, we have to parse this into the string format. Control X, Control Z. Now what I'm doing, I'm just parsing this data as per our requirement. Okay, and string describe, from here we will parse. Now same we will do for result. Same we will do for average. Average is type of integer, so here I'll take integer. List is type of string. String describe. So that's it. Now we have to attach this data into our let model equals to type of db grade. In this model dot id equals, id equals id, same model dot name equals to name, same for model dot result equals result, model dot, and at the end avj equals avj, and now list. Now in same way how we encode here, we will decode. Okay, so let data json decoder, and this we will use with try. Okay, so try mandatory dot decode. Here we have to pass the type of, which is db grades, and from data, from list. So that's enough. Now model dot list equals data. So here it is list dot data, and here encoding type is UTF-8. That's great. Now I think we are on the track. Yeah, yes we are. So finally list dot append, and this will be our this will be main list. Okay, I just renamed because both name was getting same now, that's why. And here I'll pass model. So fine guys. Okay, what is missing? Sorry, it will be type of grade. Okay, because here we are inserting grade type now, so here also it will be type of same. So finally we have done with our read statement. So here, before inserting the data, if read type of avj, here we will type avj is empty, then here I'll take one boolean variable. Okay, where is, or we can say is empty, by default false, and here it will be true, is empty equals true. So here what we have to do, if is empty, then we have to insert our id, otherwise we don't need to insert. So now I need to I fetch this data here. Now I will use avg controller. Okay, here we have to show this data. Okay, so what we can do with that, this is already I have written. Here you have to take db reference same way. Okay, and list equals to db dot read, and here we will see the output. Which data we have inserted last time, it should be here. avj4 type of data, it's giving error. Actually here we have to do double parsing. One is string with the describing, another is string with C string type. Okay, so string with C string, and here we have to pass unsafe pointer. So that is the complete parsing for integer type of data, for string type of data. So that we was missing here. Control X, string C string, same we have to pass, and same for name, same for result, string C string here. So now we will see the final output. Okay, GPA average 4. Guys, here you can see it's coming semester 1. So as usual it's coming like that. Now we will continue next level development, means updation of a data into the database, in next tutorial. Till then, keep enjoy that, understand this video, and please comment into the comment box. If you like this video, please thumbs up. And before leaving this channel, please subscribe this channel, because on my YouTube channel you will find lots of video in Swift 5 programming language. Okay, and with different technique, different technology. So guys, thank you so much, have a great time, bye bye.